Curious about managing more than one Telegram account on a single device? Whether you're separating personal chats from work, switching between communities, or managing multiple projects, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use multiple Telegram accounts simultaneously on your computer, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. By the end of this video, you'll be able to effortlessly switch between accounts within the Telegram desktop app, keeping your messages organized and your workflow smooth. Alright, let's dive right in. First, make sure you've got Telegram desktop installed on your computer. If you haven't already, head to Telegram's official website, download the app, and open it up. Now, once you're inside Telegram desktop, look near the top left corner of the window. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. That's called the menu button, but sometimes people call it the hamburger menu. It's the gateway to all sorts of settings and features in Telegram. Click on that to open up the sidebar. Now, in the sidebar, look for your name or your profile at the very top. This is where Telegram displays your currently active account. Next to your name, there's a subtle down arrow. It might be easy to miss if you're not looking for it. This arrow basically says, hey, there's more you can do here. Go ahead and click it. After clicking the down arrow, a menu pops up giving you options. The one we want is labeled Add Account. This is the magic button that lets you bring a second or even third Telegram identity into the same app. If you've ever imagined running work and personal chats side by side without logging in and out, this is it. When you click Add Account, Telegram will give you 2 ways to log in. The first option is logging in with your phone number, just like when you first set up Telegram. Type in the number associated with your other Telegram account, and then wait for the verification code to arrive on your mobile device. Once you get the code, enter it on your desktop and voila, you're in. If you're someone who prefers minimal fuss and has your mobile handy, there's also a quick way: log in with QR code. Just select this option and use the Telegram mobile app to scan the QR code that appears on your computer screen. This can save a bit of time, especially if you want an instant connection without typing anything. Whichever login method you choose, take a moment to make sure you're entering details for the right account. It's easy to mix them up if you have multiple phone numbers. Once the second account is added, you'll notice that Telegram makes switching back and forth super simple. Just use that same down arrow next to your name. You can toggle between accounts in seconds. It's almost like flipping channels on a TV, so you never miss a conversation in any of your groups or chats. And don't worry if it takes you a moment to find the menu or down arrow. Telegram's interface is designed to be sleek, but sometimes hides useful features in plain sight. Once you've added an account, you can repeat the process and add more if needed. This can be really handy for anyone juggling different roles, languages, or interests. Imagine managing your study group, work team, and family all from one place without clogging up your phone. If you run into any issues, say not receiving a verification code or getting logged out unexpectedly, just take it step by step and double-check your details. Telegram's support is pretty helpful too if you ever get stuck. And that's it, you're now set up to run multiple Telegram accounts on desktop, making your digital life a whole lot easier. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any roadblocks, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.